Today I will show you how to hide apps with Nova Launcher. Nova Launcher is one of the most popular third-party launchers for Android. First, open App Drawer. Here you can see all the apps installed on your device. We will try to hide Chrome app. Long press on the home screen. Then click on Settings. Now tap on App Drawer. Now scroll down, all the way to Hide Apps. Here you have a list of all apps which are on your device, and those which are checked, will be hidden from App Drawer. We will hide Chrome. And now let's open App Drawer again. Chrome is not visible anymore. To make Chrome appear again, let's repeat the process. Long press on the home screen. Settings. Let's uncheck Chrome. Now open App Drawer again. Chrome is here available again. Thank you for watching.